their visions into reality while navigating complex construction processes. Introducing our factory design and construction service tailored to meet your unique needs. With our expert team by your side, we bring years of experience in crafting spaces that are not only functional but also equipped for optimal production flow. We take the time to understand your business goals, ensuring every inch of your factory is designed with purpose and efficiency in mind. From the initial concept to the final build, we manage all aspects of the process. Our innovative design strategies incorporate the latest technologies and industry best practices, resulting in a facility that promotes productivity and reduces operational costs. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to expand an existing space, we have the tools and expertise to turn your dream into a reality. Imagine a factory that enhances your workflow, boosts your team's morale, and positions you at the forefront of your industry. It's possible, and it starts with taking that first step. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation, or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.